Hello, Elaine here with Sweet Stampin', and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this double fold card with the Perennial Lavender Suite. Here is my fun fold Perennial Lavender card. It's kind of like a joy fold card, 2 cards in one. I started with some Highland Heather cardstock and a 4x5 1/4 piece of the really pretty Perennial Lavender Designer Series paper. The suite is a mega suite. It has 2 bundles, the Painted Lavender bundle and the Perennial Postage bundle. It also includes these butterflies, these gorgeous purple gems, and the Designer Series paper, which has a crumb cake background. Now for this card, I used Gorgeous Grape cardstock and the Scalloped Contours dies. I basically counted how many loops are on the top. There are 9. And so I counted 9 across. I used an 8.5 by 4 1/4 piece of cardstock and folded it in half. And then I used the die to cut to the 9th scallop. And this is going to be placed on the inside like this. But first I'm going to stamp some of the wildflowers. I have this piece of 3 3/8 by 3 1/4 basic white cardstock. I'm gonna stamp the grass across the bottom, and then I'm just gonna add some of these flowers across the grass so I can adhere this to the inside, and then this card to the inside of the card base. So for the front of the card, I have a Lost Lagoon piece of 3 3/8 and 3 1/4. And then this white piece is 3 1/4 by 3 1/8. And I'm going to stamp the sentiment on the front. So now I'm going to ink up this stamp by using sponge daubers. So I'm going to use Lost Lagoon for the stems, and some fresh freesia for the middle of the flowers, and then some Highland Heather, and then some of the Gorgeous Grape just around some of the edges of each flower. And then just stamp that and cut that out. And here it is cut out already, along with some other pieces. And like I did with the other card, I'm going to trim off the bottoms. And that is my fun fold Perennial Lavender card. Get a free card kit when you place a $35 order using my current host code. Just email me and let me know that you would like this Perennial Lavender kit. You have until February 2nd to place your order, and then the kit will no longer be available.